Congratulations on becoming an accredited business with BBB. So let's take a look at another great tool that you can use to maximize your partnership with BBB. Today we are talking about the BBB Dynamic Seal. In the simplest of terms, it's a piece of code that you can install on your website that signifies that you are an accredited business with BBB. Now, the dynamic seal on your website does a couple of things. First off, it immediately shows a customer the sign of a better business. Number two, with a domain authority of 91 out of 100, BBB and its content online ranks very well with search engines. So partnering your business with BBB accreditation enables you and your business to benefit from the search engine trust of our high authority site. And number three, it gives instant access to your BBB profile so customers can request a quote directly from you and can also leave a review. Studies show that 82% of consumers will read a review before purchasing. So the question now is, how do you get your dynamic seal and how do you install it on your website? Well, the answers are actually pretty simple. The first thing you need to do is log into your profile at bbb.org using the primary email address that you used when applying to BBB. From there, you will see this menu, and it gives a wide range of options, including the dynamic seal. Once you have clicked, you can customize your seal with different colors and shapes, and when you've decided what you like the most, you'll be given a code. This code is what you will install on your website to activate it and showcase your dynamic seal. Now, if you were a business who built their own website, no big deal. This is not a problem. You take that code, you install it right onto your website builder, and just like that, you've got the dynamic seal. Now, if you used a third party to build your website, just as easy. Take that code, email it to your developer, and tell them you want the BBB dynamic seal on your website. Either way, you have installed the seal on your website. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, whether it's from the business login or downloading the seals or what to do with us, please give us a call. We are here to help. 903-581-5888. That's 581-5888. Again, we appreciate you for being part of BBB. Thank you very much for all that you do for our communities, and have a wonderful day.